How should oxtail be prepared and cooked?
Welcome, home cooks and food enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the flavorful world of oxtail. This often underappreciated cut of meat is known for its rich, gelatinous texture and profound depth of flavor when prepared correctly. It may require some patience to cook, but the payoff is absolutely worth it.
What is oxtail?
Originally, oxtail was, as the name suggests, the tail of an ox. Today, it comes from the tail of beef cattle. It consists of bony, gelatin-rich meat, covered by a thick hide, which makes it perfect for slow cooking. This slow cooking process breaks down the tough connective tissues, leading to a tender, flavorful dish.
How to prepare oxtail?
Preparation begins at the butcher. When buying oxtail, look for pieces with a good amount of meat and a rich, deep color. Make sure to clean the oxtail thoroughly before starting your recipe. To prepare, first, pat the oxtail dry with a paper towel. Season it liberally with salt and pepper. You can also add a coating of flour for a nice browning effect during the searing process.
How to cook oxtail?
Cooking oxtail involves a process called braising. This means the oxtail will be first seared, or browned, in a hot pan with a little bit of oil, then slow cooked in liquid. 1. Searing. Heat some oil in a heavy-bottomed pan or pot over medium-high heat. Add the oxtail pieces and brown them on all sides. This step is crucial as it adds depth of flavor to the final dish. 2. Sautéing the aromatics. Once the oxtail is browned, remove it from the pan. In the same pan, add your aromatic vegetables like onions, carrots, celery, and garlic, and sauté until softened. Also add herbs and spices like thyme, bay leaves, and allspice. 3. Braising. Return the oxtail to the pan. Add a liquid, like beef broth, wine, or a combination, until it comes about halfway up the sides of the oxtail. Bring the liquid to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pan, and let it simmer for about 3 to 4 hours. 4. Resting and serving. Once cooked, let the oxtail rest for a bit before serving. It can be served with the broth, as a soup, or removed from the broth and served with rice, mashed potatoes, or vegetables. And that's how to prepare and cook oxtail. It's a time-consuming process, but the results are a deeply flavorful and satisfying dish. So next time you're at the butcher, don't overlook the humble oxtail. Remember, with a little bit of love and a lot of patience, you can turn this underrated cut into a mouth-watering meal. Enjoy your cooking journey.